Okay. Hello, guys. This is Kabaka Mwangi, and this is our playtest for the game Monkee with a double E. The guy who was supposed to do the stream is currently unavailable, so I'll be stepping in and doing the playtest on his behalf. How you, Mister? How, can I call you Mister? I feel like that guy who's from Uganda.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay. This game is called Monkey by Odongo Games, and it's a web browser game. Uh, I think this is my second web browser game I've played. And what motivated you to put it in a web browser rather than any other platform?
It's actually a game that I did for a game jam.
Oh, for Game Jam.
There's yes, a game jam that was on itch.io.
Okay.
Uh, yes, and on that platform, web games tend to be very popular.
Okay. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah,
I've been trying the game. And which language did you use to create the game?
I used JavaScript, and it was a framework called Phaser, a game framework called Phaser 3.
Phase 3. Oh,
Yes.
let me try it. So why did you monkey with monkey with the double E rather than monkey with uh,
Well, I wanted it to have a unique name, but also something familiar.
uh, is there a way to beat the number of bananas you can get?
Well, it's actually you're actually good at this game. The thing is, you just have to be quick. So the reason why you only have 20 seconds is because that was the theme of the game jam.
Or the game
Uh,
jam? Because I was my question was
yes.
kama ninapata hiyo banana, si niongeze
Yeah.
time at least kwa the clock. I have ample time ya like kaa nikipata, for example, nikipata banana, this is the banana,
Yes.
niongeze
Yes.
like
Yes.
5 more seconds hivyo
Well,
at
yeah,
least.
that was actually one of the rules of the game jam is that your game has to be 20 seconds long.
20, 20
But
seconds
you,
long. Hey,
yes.
hiyo ni ndogo sana. But the
Well, yeah,
principles behind it ni kali.
oh, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, the principles ni kali. Inanikumbusha one of these games zenye tulikuwa tunacheza zikiwa I think inaitwaje, is it for Treasure Island, the OG Mario, Super Mario, Flappy Bird. Watu wengi walikuwa hawakuwa na Android hiyo time. Flappy Bird was the OG Android game bana, na kila mtu alikuwa
Yeah.
anakufa at the stake, labda apite na the first part, the second part, alafu na dedi. Sijaipata mtu mwenye akona high score of Flappy Bird, but inanipea hizo vibes, especially the fact that kwanza hiyo kupima, nilicheza initially, sikuwa najua naweza songa mbele, so unaona, so I had to eh, ku- kama hii ni unfair sana.
Hapo hufai kutafuta kila banana. Yani some of them you just let them go.
High score ni gani? Unafaa kutuwekea high score, at least mtu ajue wale
Uh,
wako na mandizi nane turingia watu wengine.
you just try your best, honestly.
Na pia ikuwe na meters ndio mtu aone hii kitu juu alafu mbona ukuita monkey juu like the
Uh,
monkey inakaa rabbit.
well,
Juu
ukiona resolution yake ni ndogo sana, so I had to simplify it a lot.
okay. And nilikuwa I think ulikuwa you are the same creator mwenye aliunda volleyball.
Yes.
I loved that. Hiyo game ilikuwa poa. I think
Oh, thank you.
that game niliicheza for some time, especially the AI ilikuwa janja sana, ilibidi nitumie unscrupulous methods niishinde. Game breaking, but ilikuwa interesting. Hii naweza sema the gameplay is very very unique. I really really like it, but
Thanks.
at least tuongezee time. 20 seconds is
Well, I hear what you're saying.
uh,
For this one, like the game jam restricted my time, but I can do another version that's long.
yeah, that's longer.
Uh,
Okay, it can start with the initial 20, but if I want to
yes.
get a banana, at least it gives me itanipatia the extra 5 seconds,
Yeah.
na pia ita make it a bit interesting. Alafu pia kukuwe
Mm.
na 3 lives. I think juu niliona when I die, for example hapa for example just die.
Mm-hmm.
When I die, I can die as many times as I want. Unaona, bora
Yes.
time ijaisha.
Yeah.
So by having that three lives, people will be forced to make decisions ziko fiti, and then we have a leaderboard. Ndio we who are good at the game, me na Flex. I don't know if Newton is good at the game. Yeah, we can really enjoy on that manenos. Newton, ama unaonaje? Yes, sasa hapa.
Yeah, I have a question by the way. Umesema you created it at a game
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
on kuuliza ni game gani because I'm just yes.
Well, you okay? The site where I've hosted the game, itch.io, it has game jams very frequently.
Oh, I thought it was like a physical game jam. Oh.
No, it's actually it's online. Yeah, it was online. I did it sometime last year, but they have game jams all the time.
And the jumping with the mouse is very unique. Do you plan I saw that on GeoIO that you had listed the game on as part of an Android experience. Do you plan to push to make it as an Android manenos or?
Well, yes, actually, it's listed as Android, but that was not my intention. Like the website listed it Android for some reason.
Okay.
But yeah, going forward, it's very possible that I could do an Android version.
Yeah, I think an Android version with a
Yes.
leaderboard, and that one, and maybe you can now add, for example, if you reach a particular place, or if you beat the leaderboard, you get like a crown or something like that. It can be really good, and then you can sell maybe cosmetics, for example, a blue monkey. Yeah, so somebody can decide, hey, maybe the game is free, but I can buy a blue monkey or a red one or anything. You give them the default and this one, because the game is. If I say the game is easy, I'll be lying. The game is really difficult. It took me a lot of time to know what I am doing. Thanks again, Stephen Otieno. Guys, come uko hapa and you have questions, please feel free. And mtatusaidia sana. It took a long time to understand the controls juu. Okay, it's simple, yes, but pia iko a bit technical. You need to know what you are doing. Max,
Yes.
I think the max I can get is 5 bananas. I don't think you can do more than 5. Ama Newton, umefika zako zilifika ngapi? I don't think. Yeah. I've gotten 6. Can I get 7? Yes. I don't think kuna mtu atapita hii. If anybody atapita 7 bananas akuja aniambie. There is the simplicity of the game, but pia iko a bit difficult. I think the game can also work well since uliniambia it's Java. I think can you create a way it can play on feature phones?
No, I don't think so. It's actually JavaScript, not Java.
Okay.
So even
Even
okay, I've even like ported this game using the exact same code to Android,
okay.
but yeah, it was not performing as well as I'd like it to. So even for the Android version, I think I'll have to remake it in Unity.
Okay. Moha Gamer, how are you? Hey, niaje Moha Gamer man. Thanks a lot for joining us. Ebu share tukashare ka live. Then tutakuwa tu sawa. Tuweke tu kwa status, tutakuwa tu fiti. So juu ni JavaScript, the original idea tu ilikuwa ikuwe web peke yake.
Yeah, that was the original for the game jam.
Okay. Okay. And hey, if for example save vile tuko online, then maybe I don't have the internet, can I still continue playing it juu ni JavaScript ama lazima ikuwe na the internet aspect?
Yes, lazima ukuwe na internet. It's the easiest way because to make it like an application you can play offline, that's a whole other process.
Because I can see a lot of potential, especially when it comes to ingekuwa kwa feature phone. I don't know how you'll tell the Chinese waiweke kwa kabambe, but this is a very good for kabambe phones. I think inaweza nimebit high score 8. Ikona that simplicity, and I don't think it's heavy, but inaweza cheza kwa any device. So my idea was that kama inaweza fit kwa kabambe or any other device, inaweza kuwa somewhat really kabambe per se juu I think iko in that category ya Snake. I think umeona the Snake games, the Space Impact games zenye ziko somewhat 16-bit hivi, but ziko fiti juu iko fiti. I think iko simple na it's easy to learn, but pia ni ngumu.
I get what you're saying. It's the gameplay and even the graphics, they can work well on feature phone. I think the only thing is the input, because right now I think you're using a mouse. On Android you can aim using the touch screen, but for feature phones we'll have to figure out like how to use buttons to maybe you just press a button to jump. I don't know, but we'll have to figure it out.
I think you can create kama ni kujump, you can have a bar the power and then the direction. I think direction and power ndio in affect trajectory, sindio?
Yes. Yeah, so, exactly.
Yeah, so I think bar for power, then direction. So hiyo inaweza it encourage mtu ajue kupima.
It's something that it can be done. It's just doing it, that's the thing.
Okay. So apart from this, hiyo feature ya leaderboard utatuwekea lini manze? I really need to flex. I'm not a great gamer. Ndio I'm good in some games, but sijaitokea kwa leaderboard. Nataka kutokea kwa leaderboard angalau moja bana before I omeria.
Well, it's a good suggestion. I'll consider it. I'll think about adding features to this game, because I like that you've actually taken the time to play it and
Hey,
you are doing yeah.
I had to create a trailer, so naenda huko umepost the video about it, so nikaenda nikaitafuta, then I started playing it, then sasa ikakuwa noma juu na try initially sikuwa najua you could walk, so nilikuwa naona hii kitu ni ngori aje, I have to aim kila banana, so kabla nijue ninaweza walk, I had already nilikuwa nimefika kama my 10th attempt. Ndio maana sahii unaona niko fit, especially with the aiming juu nilikuwa nishazoea kuruka hivyo, so saa vile niliona naweza walk ikakuwa hiyo ni added bonus, so hiyo ilikuwa one of the things it's simple, but pia hapo lazima ujue kutumia strategy.
Yeah, like that's a good point. For the game jam, I was developing it in a short time, but for
One
the
night.
future version
Umekuwa umepewa one night. Haya, nimeshinda. I think naweza sema mimi ndio the only person ameimaliza hii game. So ulikuwa unafaa kupata bananas ngapi uwin? Hello? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Newton, can you hear me?
Pole, nilikuwa nimemute mic, yes.
I think Dev ako area. Dev, I think Dev alikuwa ananielezea juu I think nimeweza kumaliza the game. Sikuwa nadhani naweza maliza the game. Tumpatie time arudi back on.
Sawa.
But hii game ni interesting. Umeicheza?
Nimecheza.
But uwezi maliza bana. Wamwambia tuweke leaderboard tuone nani.
High score yako
Si nimemaliza. Mi hata kuna high score nimemaliza. Angalia kwa stream saa hii. Finished. I have won. There's no need for high score, eh? I have won. Nimemaliza.
Oh, you've won.
Hey,
Yeah.
Nice one.
Ndio I was asking nilikuwa nafaa ku have the 10 bananas ndio nishinde ama what was the MO?
Yeah, it's 10 bananas.
Nimeshinda.
Si ndio?
Bana. Hebu Newton respect my name bana. Kila time nasikia game game ni game. Inanikumbuka those games zenye tulikuwa tunacheza Minesweeper and so forth. I see it's the especially kwa watu iko simple na pia inakufundisha a lot, especially when it comes kwa trajectory. Hiyo inakukula kichwa. You have to learn how to estimate curve itaruka. Yeah. So apart from that, nilikuwa na swali ingine. As of Odongo games, which other games are you planning to release in future, and do you think they will follow the same format as this one?
Well, yes, there's one game that I'm currently working on, and I'm expecting to release it sometime maybe in the next 1 or 2 months. But going forward, I'm still sort of figuring out what kind of style I want. So maybe they'll be in the same style, maybe a different one.
I like retro games. Usually these 16-bit pixelated games. Number one, they are not resource intensive and they can play in any game. Plus, I am a proponent of this. A game doesn't have to look good, ile ati inaka ultra realistic for it to be interesting. Some of the games that I play ziko pixelated hadi the latest tumeona the latest God of War if I may say haikai si wame decide to do the side scroller hivi sindio na ikue
Well, yeah, I agree.
yeah, so I think the gameplay ndio kitu ya kwanza. If the game is fun, especially ikiwa fun for a person like me, hiyo ndio the main thing naweza sema ikuwe extremely fun. If the game is fun, hiyo number one, hiyo umenishika and umeshika all, and this game kwangu is fun. Ikiwa fun hivyo the rest so mi naweza prefer hii juu number one the resources watu wako nazo especially, and if you can port them to mobile the better juu in Kenya I think majority of guys wako na smartphones na iko easier kuconvince mtu a download game kwa smartphone compared to PC.
Yes, I agree. The gameplay is what's really important, and that's kind of what I'm focusing on. Like my strength is in programming and putting the system together.
Yeah.
That's why even for this game, I did very simple graphics because I did them myself. But yeah, my main focus is gameplay. Maybe in future, if I have the resources and people to collaborate with, I can think about different things like different kinds of graphics. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it simple.
Do you do the game? Did you do the game alone or mnakuanga team?
Yeah, I did this game alone.
Oh, yeah, that's really cool, manze. This is really
Thanks.
cool, manze. Individual game developers only bamba juu you always do you and mna take time mna create creations zingine zenye ziko unique juu this sijaiona game kama hii.
Yo.
Hello Clan Station. Yeah.
Thanks. It's yeah, it's fun to do this kind of thing. You have that freedom unaweza fanya like anything. So when I see this kind of reaction inanibamba sana.
So when did you start creating the games?
Oh, a while ago. I think around 2015.
Oh, 2015. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. And it's not been easy, but I'm happy with what I've gotten so far.
So what are the challenges umekuwa ukipitia?
The challenges I would say is learning, because for a long time I didn't know the kind of resources that are available. But even things like tutorials or online courses, I was not making use of them.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, now that I've found them, I'm actually seeing some improvement.
No, okay, that's really good.
Yeah.
I think I've won again. Newton, as you can see, nimeshinda tena. And
Ni sawa.
ukishinda once ndakutii, mi nimeshinda twice, so I think tutajaribu tuone that. I think I've delved into the game. Ama Newton, you have a question?
No, not really. I think
Man, you.
umeuliza zote.
Yeah. Audience, I think kuna mtu ako na swali audience kuhusu the game. The game is called Monkee. Monkee with a double E, and you'll download the game on gway.io. You'll get the link to the game hapo, and it's really interesting. Ukimaliza hii game, please, I think hata tunafaa kudo the Monkee challenge. Ukimaliza then unaonyesha wewe umemaliza, inakuwa challenge. I think I'll do that. Mi ndio the first person kumaliza, so as you can see ikitu ndashinda nikiwaringia hadi mchoke. yeah, so iko hivyo. So anyone with a question from the audience, where to? Novi, how are you? Clan Station uko, thanks a lot manze. Kuna mtu ako na Yaza Gameplay 254 and Jack. If you have a question regarding the game, please niambie before. So the game is a web-based, but I haven't had tested the practice mode. Let me see it. So practice mode aina end.
Niage MCY Arsenal.
Practice mode, yeah, you can just practice for as long as you need to.
Which engine is it made in?
Mtu anauliza the engine is JavaScript. The dev ameniambia hivyo, and it's a web based
Yeah, it's JavaScript. It's using the Phaser 3 framework.
okay.
Nice.
So nilieka practice mode because the normal game is 20 seconds. Here I wanted to give you as much time as you need to learn.
Okay, but mi unajua mi ni shujaa, siku practice na practice mode. Mi niliingia kichinjio tu direct trial and error. Practice mode ya nini? Practice mode ya nini? Si hatukuwa tuna practice anything, tuliingia tu direct ka tumeingia ku game, and I think hivyo ndio most gamers huku wanapitanga tutorials mbio ile ijaonekana. In fact gamers niliona nikawapendangi tutorials, so watajua mbele ama tutorials zibekiwa into the first mission, but ukiwa force ati wafanye the tutorials huku wanafeel nika you are their enemy.
Nikawa unawarudisha shule.
Watakangi, so hiyo inakuwa ama wana fail then wanaona the only time umeona watu wakiwatch tutorials ni akikwama, ama akikwama for example a place na anatafuta place ya kuenda mahali labda a particular boss fight, hapo ndio wanaona watu wakiwatch tutorials, but ati ikianza guys wanataka kufail. Yeah.
Like wanataka tu kushow wanaweza fanya without any help.
Especially kitu kaa Call of Duty ama hata any platform watangangana, ikifika mali ndio labda waone hivyo. Hadi game design naona most game designers wana taking that into consideration, wataonyesha vitu as progressively, yani rather than kuwa force wakuwe na a whole tutorial. You guys wanakuanga so anti tutorial, I don't know why.
Yeah. Inakuanga hivyo, but it's a good point. If you make it part of the game, the tutorial can actually be fun.
Yes. I think mi ni hivyo. Newton? I think Newton.
Yeah, nothing to add. Labda tu thank you guys.
Yeah, Admi, thanks. Yeah, thanks guys wenye wamekuja. And thanks the developer. The developer, I want to see more games from you. Volleyball nilicheza sana. Hii itakuwa another one I hope utai-upgrade.
Play it one more time before ending.
Sawa, nimekusikia.
Yes. Itakuwa fiti sana. Hapo nimemess. Let me try at least remember when you play it one more time before ending. So you kimanage. Hii nimemess. Yeah, so iko hivyo. So guys, tutaonana. I think it's like that. Thanks Odongo Games for that. Yeah, everybody, asanteni maze. Newton, si utamalizia?
Thank you.
Sawa. Kumalizia, I don't know what to say. Also, just to
Hello?
thank everyone who came. Again, Odongo, thank you for coming, and also thank you for creating the game. Bamba. Yeah, I think that's all.
Thank you guys.
Yeah,
I think that's all.
I think see you guys next week. Thank you for coming. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Wadau, good night.